Hi friends, welcome back to Maldivian Food YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share fish curry recipe. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I took 2 onions, finely chopped, and first of all I took 2 onions and 3 garlic, and here's some ginger. Make a paste, add some curry leaves. Now time to add oil. I edit it randomly, add according to your taste. So now I am adding some chili. Again add chili according to taste. At this point add salt and red chili powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder and again half a teaspoon red chili powder. Here I am adding black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and two teaspoon cumin powder. And half a teaspoon of cinnamon cardamom powder. Mix it, add fish, at this point I will mix 2 tablespoons tomato paste in 1 glass water. Mix it and add this into the pot. Cover it and cook it. You can see it's almost cooked. You can cook till the water is finished, or you can leave some soup, saucy thing. This is ready. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.